Hello friends, welcome in my channel. Today's spoken English class we learn from a topics from easy topics how to think in English and how you can give answer in English easily about these topics. It is your mouth opening sessions for spoken English, you can say. Now today I take a very easy topics. About that topics everyone has some knowledge. So let's start. Today I want to discuss about seasons. We all know there are mainly 4 seasons present in our country. These seasons names are summer, rainy season or monsoon, winter and spring. This 4 season comes one after another in a cyclic way. Today I tell something about 2 seasons, summer and winter. In the season of summer, in general, weather is very hot and humid. In summer seasons, we get different types of fruits also. In summer seasons, we get plump and juicy types of fruits like mangoes, lychees, etc. On the other hand, the winter seasons is calm and cold. The winter covers the hilltops with thick blanket of snow. The weather in winter seasons is very cold and cloud free. Though the 2 seasons, summer and winters, are very different by their properties or characteristics, but the both seasons have own beauty. Now I ask some questions about these small topics. That is mainly 4 to 5 lines which I told previously. Now I again tell that 4 to 5 lines only. That means recall the main matters. This summer seasons is extremely hot and humid. The summer seasons we get different types of fruits. The fruits are plump and juicy. The some fruits we get in summer seasons are mango and lychee. On the other hand, the winter seasons is very calm and cold. In winter seasons, the hilltops covers with thick blanket of snow. The weather in winter seasons is cold and calm. Though the seasons are different by their characteristics, but the both seasons have their own beauty. Now I ask you 4 questions. First questions I tell you and you will give the answer in English language. If you do not give answer quickly, then you pause my videos and try to give the answer. First question is, what kind of fruits we get in summer? Now your time. Now I tell the answer. The plump and juicy types of fruits we get in summer. Next question, what covers the hill top or what covers the hilltops in the winter? Your turn. Now tell the answer. The snow covers the hilltops in winter. Now third question, how is the weather in the summer? The weather in the summer is very hot and humid. We often sweat that times and everyone do not want to go outside in summer and we want to stay under the fan or in AC room. Now the last questions. How is the weather in the winter? The weather in the winter is very calm and cold. So this is the end of the today's spoken English class. If you think that this type of teachings help you to learning spoken English, then please subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thank you for watching this video.